Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to make checkout faster and more convenient, for Android users, Google Pay is a great option. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you step by step how to actually connect Squarespace to Google Pay in 2026. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. Well, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go all the way and look for Squarespace in your favorite browser. So it's time now to tap on this link, it will take you to their website, log in using your email address and password. As for now, I'm gonna go all the way to settings here or this gear icon, go to selling, then go to payments, add ways to receive payments. Then connect to Stripe. Yes, since Google Pay works through Stripe, so make sure Stripe is already connected in Squarespace. Then open Squarespace payment settings by going to settings, payments from your Squarespace dashboard, open the Stripe payment methods. Under Stripe, look for additional payment methods. Enable Google Pay, just toggle Google Pay on, then verify your domain in Stripe. Log into Stripe, then go through your settings, payment methods, look for Google Pay, and verify your domain. Ensure the SSL is active, since your Squarespace site must have HTTPS enabled for Google Pay to work. And if you don't have any knowledge about HTTPS, SSL, just go to the Dev Tools, look for this SSL. It must be active, manage your SSL preference and site-wide password. And that's it. You can do a small test checkout using an Android device or Chrome browser to confirm Google Pay is fully enabled. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.